Happy Wednesday. Dr. Decks team coming at you. We are cleaning Jay's deck today. Also cleaning the patio covers above us. Got some pine needles. We're gonna put some Clorox outdoor, but we figured we would make a how to properly clean your deck tutorial. So if you'd like to join the Dr. Decks family, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when we put out future videos. All right, so I know not everybody's gonna have an electric sprayer with a tank size that's this big, and you don't have to have one like this. You can have just a backpack sprayer. We use Clorox outdoor bleach, and that's what's inside of this. They say that it's dilutable like down to 30 times, so 1 gallon does 30 gallons. This is a 15-gallon container, and I have 3 gallons of Clorox. So obviously I'm going quite a bit stronger with the blend than what it says it can do, but we want to help prevent as much mildew as possible. And yeah, we are just gonna spray the top of the covers down after I've got the pine needles off of them. We're gonna clean those, pressure wash those off, and then we'll show you guys how we do the deck. Ghetto invention. It doesn't do anything, it's useless.
As you can see, Andy set me up for success with this 3 poles.
And then I'm not sure what the issue is, so
It's just kind of hard to pull up.
man. Oh no! Oh, we just blew up. Okay, so the force is against us today. I would try. We have another hose, right? Well, yeah, but there's a. We're not.
What happened?
Well, last year when I ran it, it still had gas in it, so it was a struggle getting it to start. Good maintenance on your machines is to run the gas out so it doesn't let the gas go bad inside the bowl of the carburetor. And instead of me doing that last year like I should have, shame on Andy, I left gas in it, so the bowl's dirty, I'm sure. I'm about to find out. Let's clean it and see what it looks like. So the inside of this bowl is supposed to be clean and just have gas in it. Let's take a look, guys.
What is that?
I guess it's like the petroleum inside the gasoline. I don't really know. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out there that knows how gas turns into that, but yes, it is not supposed to look like that. I might pull the float and then look at the needle valve and see if that's dirty. But I would bet that if we just take this, clean this out, and put it back on there, it's probably gonna run. So we'll see what happens. And it's still not wanting to fire, so starting fluid, and I'm gonna make this thing run one way or another. It's happening.
This is what's starting fluid.
Yes, okay, we're good. We got plenty of spark. Have plenty of fuel, I have spark, but it's still not running. Like, if I spray starter fluid in it, it just runs with the starter fluid. Now I'm going to pull the float. The needle valve is not dirty at all, it's clean. So we are going to try and squirt some brake cleaner, part cleaner up in that hole just to see whether or not that's what the problem is.
That started by itself, though.
Because there was still stuff in it.
Oh.
Oh yeah!
Madman did it!
I did it!
What finally did it in?
What finally did it was I took the bowl off the carburetor and then I just filled the gas tank up like halfway with fuel and then I just let it run all the way through until it was totally bone dry. And then I put a different can of fresh gas, fresher gas, and fired right up.
Andy,
Kelvin.
what happened?
Okay, so we had to dig out two backup panels for Jay's patio covers out there, and we were putting the glass back that was in the way, and I had one side, Nazi had the other side, and I was standing right here like this, and I had it in my hand, and I had my other hand on the bottom, and I just went to squeeze it to lift it up a little bit, and as I squeezed it, I just felt the whole glass just blow up, and my hand squeezed into a fist, and then the whole thing just...
Right on.
Can you guys believe Calvin broke this piece of glass and is making me pick this up?
They already know you did it. I have video evidence.
Alright guys, so Nazi is finishing what we can of the pressure washing today. I just got done wrapping up my broken glass mess that I'm cleaning up. I've got to put these patio cover panels away and then put the rest of this stuff back for the Tacoma Home and Garden Show. And then we'll be getting close to the end of the day. And thank you guys very much for being here today. Click the subscribe button, like, comment, and click the notification bell. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.